Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the magical world of Christmas with the Christmas Snowflake Projector Lights Outdoor, a double-head snowfall LED projector that transforms your home into a winter wonderland with 4 dynamic snowflake patterns. This projector is perfect for creating a near-realistic snow scene, thanks to its bright dual-head design that offers extensive coverage and a captivating snowflake motion pattern. With 3 versatile installation methods, you can easily set it up in your garden or mount it on your living room wall, and its IP65 waterproof rating ensures it withstands light rain or snow, though it's best to avoid using it in heavy rain. Featuring 8 upgraded LED lamp beads, this projector creates a mesmerizing effect of countless moving snowflakes, making it ideal for Christmas, birthday parties, and other festive occasions. Safety is a priority, as the projector is certified with CE and RoHS, and the power adapter meets UL, GS, SAW, BS, and PSE standards, ensuring reliable performance. The 9.8-foot power cable allows for flexible placement, and with a working temperature range from -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's designed to perform in various conditions. For the best visual experience, position the projector between 16.4 and 32.8 feet from the surface to enjoy a clear and bright slideshow that will delight family and friends alike. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.